Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable EM Education, MDC, TTADC Monothelenta, PO Education, Inspector of School, Khumtoya IS, Chairman, Khumtoya, ILEC, and all the chairmen, social activists, and my lovely teachers. Tini future ni kaisa step tini oro inauguration ni program. I feel very proud and honored to be part of this program. Kami hingga as a young legislator, I have always kept education my first priority. Norok nubimak na jebruan kok sawo korang di sawo assembly itu sob semai education ni beberapa kok sawo because I see future through education. Jeng je kuno kaya pano education nanggo nih saya mana ino education na first priority dulu. You cannot do anything without education. You cannot do any job without education. You cannot come into politics without education. You cannot be a good person without education. So this age, this century, education is the most crucial part, be it for the societal development, be it for the human capital, be it for your personal growth. Honorable EM Education na belai hambai Mario, cini hoku tu isawo. IS School of Mani bagai. Cini Dhalai district nge aspirational district ni joto na saimano. Oh aspirational district ni bising se. Cini all long privilege subdivision nge. Joto jagano, I will not say deprived, but joto jagano overpacked, mane jam, block open onto, buini jaga 10 village committee wa ekta block khangkai chini oro 30-31 DC wa ekta block. Buini oro 50-60 schools so kaisa IS office tongkai chini oro 100 cross na thine. Gan orang nubuziman nubusik tremendous pressure on chini teachers, chini IS officers, chini education department of samun khane lo, busik cost of hey department of chalo bimato. Student ratio, teacher ratio milia. Ketal education policy phaigantai apno fulfill khane bagi infrastructure ka hum kare. O age jo se, jung apo hai basic amenities no three tomorrow fight matampu. We cannot deny the fact that we are lacking in education. Our teachers are lacking in teaching. Some schools have 3 teachers and 5 students. Some schools have 30 students and 1 teacher. All these things should be sought out with diplomatic way. I request our honorable Indian to kindly look into this matter. At least student-teacher ratio nole chini oro solve khaina niungton. Karon ang jekono jaga visit khaina te jekono institute unten not only schools, AWC ban untung jekono khantai. Every institute have at least minimum 5 problems. Especially school or jebro visit khai. Teachers rokne oro kom se kom 10 ta valid reason tumbo. Botangi school of phaya, botangi tini class 9 maya, student botangi school phaya, student school of tangi infrastructure kri. 10 valid reasons tumbo. Aza ngena ang visit khai bro, ngena ang chub ngi matamo. Karon systematic disorder ni bagai. Ang as a legislator tini oro kok samaniya, but someday I will also be a father of children. Apru ang monai ani busa kaham ni video kori tung teachers dara tongai koro ani busa no kaham ke purung. Tabu or generation to target of platform money. Ang sini time of honorable MDC botomo or time of the decision of no sudraina ni jesa khayang kai ani ore je chero asub nai future ro ba norok ni jaga future generation je teacher ni phenai borok bai chini difference kuno tongya nai karon chini je civic sense chini je mentality change ni away or mentality no chun carry forward khai thang dang dai chini future generation same chini mentality carry khai thang nai chun future ro chini responsibility je rizak mani chun no daitto rizak mani as a teacher unthum as a public representative unthum chun apni failure ni hindar nai. So in that case, I will request my dear teachers to please regulate everything. Kabang ma jumjal tongwi mano, there can be many inconvenience in your duty. You can be sent for some administrative work. Nono BLO dazari mano, nono midday meal libagi taisa pressure dazari mano. Haifano. Jum jehetu chini student of the future shape khaina ni bagi sechung oro tini IS mark office ma khulobu institute ma khulobu schools ma baregu schools no upgrade ma khaibu kai chini kaisa responsibility tongu as a government, as a bureaucrats, as a public, as a citizen of Indian government chini kaisa daitto tongu je chini o generation no chini students from no future kaham future with dignity talanga ni bagai chini o daitto onek kotor ambar dino ang tabi se request khani chini teachers from no je please do your duty because I as a local evident I might not be aggressive to you but jebro ang ani chair ya kare tai kaisa borok ani chair asu khainai hoito borok no koi tai kaisa aggressive ke behave khainai. So no political leader or no public representative wants to be aggressive with the employees. Kuno MLA, kuno MDC naigla je employee ro ni thaniyo chun khorang kotor ke kokma saton hunai ang norok ni thani koinai norok ni duty please kahang ke khaina bagai jate guardian ro ki complaint chi norok phai aba ta phaiton hunai asu chawino ang tini ni o program or inauguration program of Primanda Phajar, joto teachers, students, political activists, social activists, chini officials, higher officials, joto no oro songsajar chini o IS no chun greater heights of talanga bagai kobogai and greetings khata hamya puri and speech oro no paidekha hambai.